My name is Callie Elliott, and I am the chairperson for the Springfield Leadership Workshop Committee for the Springfield Chamber of Commerce, and this event is called the 2019 Leadership Summit. When we were looking for keynote speakers, we decided to look on all aspects of business as well as personal adventure and that sort of thing. After looking into some motivational speakers, we looked up on the internet, and we found Aaron as someone that we thought would be bring a fantastic different element to leadership, and that being independent leadership as well as resilience. Amazing presentation. It really brought a lot of different aspects of leadership, from the perseverance to the resilience, but also just the self piece and move away bravely. I thought was one thing that a lot of people have commented on. I thought that the presentation was very unique in that it talked about not waiting till tomorrow, that do things today, make your dreams come true. If you have a goal, make it happen before you're in your 80s, and make things happen for yourself. Aaron was fantastic, very easy to work with, brought a lot of great books, and was very engaged with the audience before and after his talk. By far one of the best speakers of the day.